Hi everyone, it's November Rain and welcome back into my YouTube channel. So today we don't have a skincare routine as I show you most of the time. So last week I found a very nice table in the dumpster. So I checked the table and the table still has a lot of life in it, and I asked my husband if I could bring it home and I could use it for my sewing machine table. And actually I changed my mind because the table turns out really good and it's pretty. So it's all woods and it is pretty nice, and the hardware still look pretty. So I decided myself that I'm gonna use it for my vanity table. So today's video is different because we're not gonna do this skincare routine that I used to show you every time. So this is DIY and I'm so excited to share this video because it take me like a week to finish this restoration because I'm kind of lazy and I don't wanna like do it every day. But I just finished it yesterday and it turns out really good, and I am so excited to share this video. And before that, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Let's go! Glue and I put tap water inside the jug so it holds the glue for 24 hours to make it steady. So I put this one in here and I need to screw back this one, so I am gonna do that right now and we'll see what's gonna happen. So what I did over here is I screwed this one. This is the old bracket that came from with this table. So I screw this back, but the second one I make a mistake. So I have to move the bracket over here, and I don't know why I did do this because it's too far, but it's okay. The table is so sturdy now. I love it. It's super strong and I am ready to sand this. Let's go. Here outside, and I hung this hardware. This is the hardware for my table, the old one, but I decided to paint it with yellow or gold. So this is how it look like now, and this is the first coat, and I am ready to make the second coat. I use the brilliant gold and I'm under the porch. So you see, I need to finish this today.